Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to go through how to save and recall your implement settings inside of the Vario Terminal. This will help you that every time you hook up to a machine, you don't have to try to remember how you had the transmission set, the hydraulics set, the teach-in functions. It will save all of that, and then basically you're going to go in and hit a button and it will reload all of that stuff for you, and away you can go to the field. Okay, so how we start with the implement settings, if you notice on this second line, the first one says tractor, the second one says that there's nothing there. So what you do is you press the buttons on the screen. Of course, you've set everything how you have it for your sprayer, your disc, your roller. For our purposes, I've got a couple of preloads in there already just so that you can see it quickly. What we do is we're going to recall it from memory. So we're going to pick and we're going to say we're going to hook up to the disc. We go back to our main screen. Now it tells us that we're hooked up to the disc, and it shows us how fast we're going to drive, how we have our transmission settings there. If we went more in depth, it shows us how we have the hydraulics set and what we want going on with the hydraulic system. It will also preset whatever we want to have on our go and in buttons. So we have some presets there as far as what we want to do. We exit out of there, so we're finished disking. Perhaps you've changed something. So then what you do is you press those two screens again, and now we're going to save that, right? Say you saved something on your hydraulics. We're going to say we want to save that to the disc. So now next time we hook up to the disc, whatever you tweaked is going to have been saved in the tractor. At the same time, we're going to change over and we're backing up and we're hooking up to our roller. So we've dropped the pin in, everything's ready to go. We select our roller, we hit the check mark, and now if we go into our tractor screen, we can see that we have two different presets for our miles an hour. We have changed our transmission from automatic to where we're letting it pull down 30%. If we look at our hydraulics, we have different hydraulic settings in there. So just trying to show you how easy and how straightforward this is to use. Set your tractor how you want it for that implement. Once you have those settings correct, the picture of the screen twice, and then we're going to hit the ABC to save it to memory. If it's something different, you select a blank line and you touch ABC and you put in whatever name you want for it, and when you go back to look at your implement list, it's now added your third implement in there. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.